Methods of solving a quadratic equation: ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Method 1. Splitting the middle term. In this method, we split the middle term into two parts. For this, we find two numbers p and q such that p plus q is equal to b and pq is equal to ac. Now take common factor out from first two members and from last two members. Example: solve 4x squared minus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0. Solution: 4x squared minus 9x plus 2 is equal to 0, which implies 4x squared minus 8x minus x plus 2 is equal to 0, which implies 4x into x minus 2 minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies 4x minus 1 into x minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies either 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0, which implies either x is equal to 1 upon 4 or x is equal to 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 or 1 upon 4. Method 2. Completing square method. First, make the coefficient of x squared equal to 1, that is, divide the given equation by coefficient of x squared. Now take the constant term to the right hand side, add 1 upon 2 of the coefficient of x whole square to both sides. Complete the square on left hand side, take square root on both sides and solve for x. Example: solve 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Solution: 3x squared minus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. Divide by 3 on both sides, which implies x squared minus 5 upon 3 x plus 2 upon 3 is equal to 0, which implies x squared minus 5 upon 3 x is equal to minus 2 upon 3, which implies x squared minus 5 upon 3 x plus 5 upon 6 whole square is equal to minus 2 upon 3 plus 5 upon 6 whole square, which implies x squared minus 5 upon 3 x plus 25 upon 36 is equal to minus 2 upon 3 plus 25 upon 36, which implies x minus 5 upon 6 whole square is equal to 1 upon 36, which implies x minus 5 upon 6 is equal to plus minus 1 upon 6, which implies x is equal to minus 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 6 or 1 upon 6 plus 5 upon 6, which implies x is equal to 4 upon 6 or 6 upon 6, which implies x is equal to 2 upon 3 or 1.